Welcome to Archiversity online lectures. In this lecture, I am going to show you how to convert codes into variable names. In my previous lectures, if you observed, we created a form or we validated the data and entered data in Excel database by using a codes. That means you have an options given for each question and options are numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3. And while entering a data, we use these codes. Now, why we use the codes to enter a data is it would be easy to enter the codes in Excel. That is one. And second one is it is a convenient and it is a speed. But while analyzing the data and writing a reports, these codes will not help you out. You have to analyze your data using the variable options. That means after entering all your data in the form of a codes, you need to convert all these codes into variable names. So in this lecture, I'll show you how to convert codes into variable names. It is very easy to convert codes into variable names. Maybe if you are familiar with Excel, find and replace option, then with that you can convert codes into variable names. We'll see how to do that. So here is a questionnaire which contains different questions. Each question has various options. After administering this questionnaire, you collected the data and entered in your database in the form of a codes. So the content you code it as a 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5 like this, and the trainer, pace, suitability remaining also there, but just I want to show for these four variables. So here content, actually this code 1 indicates very useful, whereas a code 2 indicates useful, code 3 indicates moderate, and code 5 indicates poor. While analyzing the data, these codes will not help you out. You want to know how many number of employees actually said that the course is very useful or the content is very useful, and how many employees rated the trainer as an excellent. So for that you have to convert these codes into variable options. So for that, what is that you need to do is to convert codes into variable options, select the column. So I selected first column, then click on a home tab here, then click find and select, and here click replace. Now find what? So find 1, that is a code 1, and replace this with very useful, and then click replace all. Now you can see here very useful, very useful, very useful. The code 1 is converted into variable option. Now this is done, click OK. Next is find code 2 and replace this as a useful. Then click replace all. So you'll find replacements here. Click OK. Then now enter code 3. Then replace this with moderate. Then click replace all. So one replacement is done here. Then click OK. Now select this find what? Find 4. Then replace this with not useful. Replace all. It says we could not find any replacement. That means there is no option of a 4 here. No respondent selected it as a not useful. So the next is 5. Then code is as a poor. Then replace all. One replacement is done. Then close. Now you can see the codes are replaced with variable options. Similarly, you can do it for next one, that is a trainer. Select the column, the trainer. Then so control key and H is a shortcut for find and replace. So here you have find and replace here. Now this option 1 is excellent. Then click replace all. The next is option 2, and this is good. Click replace all. Then you have option 3, average. Replace all. Click OK. Whenever you wish to replace any codes to the variable names, select the column, then click Ctrl H, then give the find what the code number. So here we give a code number 4 and option is fair. Click replace all, click OK, then close. So this is how you can convert the codes into variable options. Thank you for watching the lecture.